All right, gents, in this video we are going to finish off the roof for our design studio. Okay, so we're going to go and have a look. We're going to obviously do all the outside detail because the section is complete. We have a little bit of work to do here on the walls, but that's not going to not take long at all. So if you look at the roof profile, you'll see that the apex of the roof runs all the way from in line with the pitch, the end of the pitch at the bottom here, so this overhang. So it's going to start there and run all the way across to there. So there should be a line here in the question paper, right? And it's going to overhang on this side only 150 millimeters. So what I'm going to do is go back to CAD, right? You'll use your line command, right? I'm going to start here, right? Here's my roof. I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to then make sure I get this height correct, bring that across, and I will then drag this all the way across to about there, just extend it beyond. We're going to offset that by 150, right? There we go. I'm going to drag that up. Fantastic. That gives us the endpoint. I'm then going to take the bottom of the roof here, and I'm going to drag that across as well, okay? I'm going to do the same thing with the fascia board. So we're going to drag that across to there. Right? Make sure it stays perpendicular, please. Come on. There we go. Doesn't want me to select that for some reason. And now my computer's lagging. So let's go back here and select. Let's hide that, see if that helps. There we go. I just had to go hide that. Right, so we're going to use the fascia board. We're going to bring that across as well, nice and perpendicular. Repeat the line command, bring that across. We're going to start to clean things up in a moment. So we're going to go trim. Let's have a look and be careful about this. We're going to trim those two lines. Anything beyond there, we're going to trim, right, as well as there. Right, you can see how the fascia board and the roof run all the way to the end. We can remove that. We can remove that as well as that over there. Okay, so that will be the outside of, or the external reference of, well, external or the outside view of the roof. Okay, running from left all the way through to right. Okay, so we've got roof in place. Now what we're going to do is, and we're going to add add the detail back that we had initially. I want to carry these portions of the wall all the way to, so that cavity, we need to fill that cavity all the way to the ceiling, to the roof, the metal sheeting. We can go trim that out in a moment to make sure that that's running itself all the way through there, and we're going to go trim that out. So we're going to trim that, and that. We just want to fill that cavity. In other words, we want those who are constructing this roof to make sure that there's no way for anything to get inside there. All right. Then we can go and add some detail. So what I'll do is I'll go to my hatch again. So corrugation, this looks quite nice for a corrugated or IBR. So the angle we probably want to work with here is 45. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that's in. It's obviously quite, the scale isn't exactly what we want. So let's use maybe a 200 scale. Let's go and have a look. There we go. Even 200 is probably, well, that's not too bad. I'm going to try 250. Enter. Good. Now you can see that my hatch transparency is up so that it doesn't clash with my outlines too much. All right. And then we can go again and fill in the wall hatch, and you can go add your red. So let's go hatch. It's the same as the wall hatch. But we just got to change the angle of this back to 0. Enter. There we go. So wall hatching is back in place. Detail for the roof is in place.